Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to activate Find My Mobile feature on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick Settings, scroll down and open Biometrics and Security, and here under Security tab you will find Find My Mobile. So to activate it, you have to tap on this switcher, and now you have to log in either with your Samsung account or with Google account, and I will do it with Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. And now just log in, so use your email address or phone number. In my case it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com, then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it's entered, just tap on next, right here. And you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And if you agree with all the above conditions, tap on I agree. And that's it. Click on Accept to confirm your selection of this Google service. And now, as you can see, it's active, it's properly active, so you have Find My Mobile feature activated, and whenever you lose or you have no idea where your phone is, you can smoothly use this feature. So that would be all. This is how you can activate location of your Galaxy A51, how you can activate Find My Phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.